Hello guys, welcome to this MeritPros Q A videos. This is Srinivas from MeritPros. So today I am going to explain you about what is page factory. In our previous session, like Q&A videos number 12, I have discussed about what exactly page object model or pattern. So in extension to that, today I am going to explain what exactly page factory. So page factory is a class file which is coming from Selenium WebDriver package to support our page object model or pattern. So what exactly this page factory contains? So this class contains few methods, and as per our testing point of view, we will use @find by annotation and also init elements method in order to initialize our web elements. So here are the syntax for our find by annotation and also init elements method. So if you see here find by annotation we can provide in two different ways. One is like by providing how equal to how dot, the type of locator that we are using. We have 8 different locators. So out of that what kind of type we are taking, and also what string argument that we are passing by using this using keyword. And also we can pass directly our locator type equal to the string expression for the particular locator type. So in bottom of that we will declare our web element variable in this way. So coming to init elements, so we had a class called page factory class. So from that we had a method init elements, so where we are passing two different arguments, like first one is like WebDriver object and also the current class that we are using. So let's see these all operations in a small demo. So meanwhile, so I will show the manual operations what I am going to automate. So I am trying to launch our MeritPros site, and here I am trying to click on blog link. Then I am going to enter into blog page, and then I would like to print the first post of this blog. So this is what my manual operation. So as we see in these manual actions, I have found two different pages. One is like my MeritPros home page as well as my blog page. The same way, with the help of Eclipse IDE, I try to develop two different web pages. One is MeritPros home page and blog page, and also under test package I created one MeritPros test Java. So here in MeritPros test Java, I have set up some piece of code in order to initialize my WebDriver, and also I would like to send URL of my MeritPros to the web browser. So once that done, I am trying to call a test method. So here I am trying to create an object for MeritPros homepage by passing my WebDriver object. Then I am trying to call methods which are needed from homepage. And after this, I am calling one more test like print my MeritPros first blog post. So here I am trying to create an object for my blog page, and I am trying to call the methods which are required in my blog page. So what exactly this pages contains? So if you see my home page, here I have tried to define a WebDriver object, and then I am using @find method. As I shown in our PPT, I have shown one kind of syntax here by using how equal to how dot that. Here I am trying to click my find my blog link by using link text. So here that's why how equal to how dot link text, and using the text expression. Here the blog is the text for that, and I'm trying to create this web element with a variable name of blog. Then I'm trying to create a constructor for my MeritPros home page, and then I'm calling a method init elements in order to initialize my web elements, so that I can able to initialize this web element. Then I created a one small method like clicking on that blog link. So I am calling the click method from web element class. Same way, if you see my blog page, here also I am using. So here I am using my second syntax by directly locator type equal to the value of the particular XPath expression, and then I am creating a method for that. So that here I am creating a constructor for that. I am calling my init methods inside that. So let's see this all thing in our natural test ng execution. So here browser got launched and MeritPros URL got sent to the browser. Then I'm clicking on the blog, then blog page got opened. I guess execution done. We can see our console window. Yeah, so let me maximize my console window, and you can see here the first post, automation testing best practice and automation trends. So that is what my first post in my blog page. So I successfully pinned that message. Yeah, that's all guys from my end. Thanks for watching this video. So hope the cover topic is will help you out in understanding what exactly page factory methods, page factory in page object model. Yeah, subscribe to our channel to never miss our videos and also to watch first, and like and comment to our video so that it really motivates us to provide some more informative videos like this. And also if you comment our video, if you have any questions, so that I can reply in comment section. Hope you guys see you in next video.